Bangalore, Karnataka has taken a very big decision. The government has taken a very big decision. I am announcing, we had, earlier government had notified 117 kilometers of road in the northern part of southern part called the Peripheral Ring Road. We have renamed that road as the Bangalore Business Corridor. It lies within the city of Bangalore. One side from, I think you may notice, it will be in the Kogilu, where after the Yelanka, that road is coming there, in the middle of that. And it is in the electronic city, running between inside the electronic city. Then it touches the Mysore. Then it will go to the BIC, that where the exhibition is there. It is about 67 kilometers? 73 kilometers of the northern, and the rest is on the southern part. So we have decided we will stick on to the Bangalore-Mysore road size. It will be 65, we have notified for 100 meters. The rest 35 meters we have decided to give back to the farmers. It will be a commercial road, commercial viability. Many of the farmers requested us that you please give us, that we'll be very happy. There was a proposal by various people that to auction that property. We don't want to auction that property. To lessen the financial burden of the government and the Bangalore Development Authority, we decided to make it give option to the farmers, either that can take cash compensation of the present market as per the new act, number one. Number two, 2 times in the city, 3 times in the rural sector of the present guidance value, whichever is there. Number 2, they can opt for even the TDR. We are going to give a urban TDR. Number 3, we are going to give FIR. 4 options is been given. One is cash. The second is TDR. Third is FIR. 4 is 35% of the commercial property. If anyone want to opt for a residential in any of the BDA levels, the existing new levels, we are going to give them the residential area. So this we wanted to complete within next 2 years. So the farmers are very much eagerly waiting for this decision. So I think many of farmers will come forward and will flow. If anyone doesn't want it, we will see that we will deposit the cash amount to them. We will go for a regular acquisition and we will deposit the cash and we will go ahead with the project. At any point of time, I will not go back on denotifying this property, this land. This is because the Bangalore is choking. We want traffic to come down. I want all the people of Bangalore. We know about 1,900 families will be affected, but still they will be achieving more than what they expected. The government is offering to them. This is one of the biggest decisions in the history of Bangalore Development Authority and the government of Karnataka.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.